Hey guys, it's your boy Wabbit from Wabbitshot. Yeah, today I have a sports photography, yes, with my boy Noah, who's a professional footballer in Ukraine, and I'm his personal photographer for his football. So yeah, we're going to a location I don't know yet. Yeah, here he comes, man, the professional player. Here he comes, man. Yes, his name is Noah, the professional. Ghana to the world, baby. Ghana to the world. The best team in Ukraine, FC Velete, best team. Just waiting for the bus to come and leave. Alright guys, so we are at a place, I don't even know what it's called, man. I don't know what it's called, man. Right here, when the place is so hot, the sun is so out, like, if you set your mind to do something, just do it. You never know. Trust me, you never know. Before you realize, you start getting paid for your services. I didn't know I was really going to get this far and get signed and start working for others, but see where I am now. So guys, don't give up, just keep pushing. And I've seen a big dog here. Yes guys, so as I was saying, man, if you set your mind to something, don't let anyone stop you, just push on, just keep doing it. Like, I never knew I'd get to this point where someone would pay me for this, someone would pay me for photography and videography. I never knew I'd get to this point. So if you set your mind to do something and put in the hours, put in the effort, you steady, listen to criticisms, you keep working, keep pushing on, keep fighting. Trust me, man, trust me. Your hard work will get paid off one day, trust me. up. So I don't even know the name of the team they're about to play with. All I know is I'm working for FC Velete and they're going to score, hopefully. So yeah, this is what I do. This is my little baby over here. And it's not much, but someday I work really hard to get Canon 5D Mark IV. That's my dream camera. That's just what I want. Everything I just need that camera, man. So just keep talking about my dream camera and see what the guys call it. Yeah, someday. Someday. I know you are my finally done. It was a great game, man. My team, Velete FC, won by 3 goals to 0. That was great. It's nice. Working for a team and the team wins. Best feeling, man. They get money and pay you well. Yeah, part of the bonus, part of the team. So yeah, this is the end of this vlog. Thank you for staying with me. It's your boy Wabbit. Stay tuned for the next vlog. Peace. Keep on dreaming, man, and work towards it. I'm out. Oh, what a hopeless case we could be.